My today's topic is the role of medical coders in healthcare. I am Pratiksha Bhosle. In the healthcare industry, medical coders play a crucial role in ensuring that patient information is accurately translated into standardized codes. This process is essential for billing, record keeping, and ensuring that healthcare providers are reimbursed for their services. With the growing demand for healthcare services, the need for skilled medical coders is increasing rapidly. This comprehensive guide will develop into the role and responsibility of a medical coder, providing you and with an in-depth understanding of the vital profession. Medical coding involves converting healthcare diagnosis, procedures, and treatments into universal codes. These codes are used for billing and insurance purposes, making the role of medical coder indispensable in the healthcare system. If you are considering a career in this field or simply want to understand more about what medical coders do, this guide is for you. What is medical coding? Medical coding is the process of transforming description of medical diagnosis and procedure into universal number codes. These codes help in the smooth functioning of the healthcare system by providing a standardized language that can be easily understood and processed by various stakeholders, including healthcare providers, insurance companies, and regulatory agencies. The main coding system used are ICD, CPT, HCPCS, ICD, International Classification of Disease. This system is used globally to classify and code all diagnoses, symptoms, and procedures recorded in conjunction with hospital care. CPT, the current procedure terminology. This coding system is used to document medical procedure and services in outpatient setting. SCPCS, Healthcare Common Procedure Coding System. This system includes codes for services, procedure, and equipment not covered by CPT. This code helps in streamlining the billing process and ensure that healthcare providers are accurately reimbursed for their services. Proper medical coding is essential for maintaining accurate patient records, facilitating insurance claims, and conducting medical research and public health studies. Medical coder job description encompasses a variety of tasks that are essential for the accurate and efficient functioning of healthcare facilities. Medical coders are responsible for reviewing medical records. They analyze patient records to identify the correct codes for diagnosis and procedures. This involves reading doctors' notes, lab tests, and other medical documentation to ensure all relevant information is coded accurately. Assigning accurate code using standardized code, medical coders translate complex medical information into a format that can be easily understood and process for billing and insurance purposes. These include using ICD, CPT, and HCPCS codes. Insurance accuracy and confidently. Medical coder must be meticulous in their work to ensure that codes accurately reflect the patient's condition and the services provided. They must also adhere to strict confidently guidelines to protect the patient information. Collaborating with healthcare professionals. Medical coders work closely with doctors, nurses, and other healthcare providers to ensure accurate coding. They may need to clarify information or resolve in discrepancies in the medical records, keeping up to date with coding standards. The field of medical coding is constantly evolving with updates to coding guidelines and regulations. Medical coders must stay informed about These changes to ensure compliance and accuracy in their work. The medical coders have to become a medical coder follow this following steps: education, study course, certification, practice, job search, on the job training, continuous learning. The skill required for medical coding is technical skill, proficiency in ICD, CPT, and HCPSC coding system, knowledge of medical terminology, anatomy and physiology, familiarity with electronic health records and coding software. Soft skill, attention to detail, strong communication skill, problem solving abilities, ability to work independently and as a part of a team. Thank you.